This single bone changed everything we knew. It belonged to a creature from another world. Eerie sound design, no voice. We must travel back, to a hotter Earth. The Paleocene. A world of heat and water. Here, the rules were different. Length, a school bus. Weight, over a ton.
An astonishing 42 feet, nearly the same length as a modern school bus.
It dwarfed every predator around. Its size was a direct product of heat. Warmer climate meant a faster metabolism. The discovery in a Colombian coal mine. Stunned the entire scientific community.
Massive, spanning almost 2 meters across. It was truly a sight to behold.
Forget movie monsters. This was real. It was an animal, shaped by its environment. It was the ultimate ambush predator. Its camouflage was perfect. Its strike was a violent explosion. With crushing force, it squeezed. Its jaw could dislocate to swallow giants.
Rotate, the mandibles unlock. The snake then employs a pterygoid walk.
Nothing challenged it. It was apex. It fed on giant turtles. And even crocodile ancestors. It was a creature of the water. On land, it was slow and vulnerable. It shaped its entire ecosystem.
Mighty Titanoboa controls the numbers of larger predators, allowing these smaller species to flourish.
A world without ice caps. With atmospheric CO2 off the charts. This heat supported a delicate balance. But then, the world began to cool. As temperatures fell, its advantage faded. The age of the giant snake ended. Titanoboa is a warning from deep time. It shows how life responds to extreme heat. This isn't just a fossil, it's a message. A reminder that our world is always changing. The story starts here, Colombia's Sarajan mine. Where one find rewrote history. They weren't just finding bones. They were mapping a giant. Extraction was a surgical operation. Protected in plaster, it journeyed to labs.
Okay, rotate toward me and set it down gently.
Modern technology peered inside. The math was undeniable, 42 feet. They named it Titanoboa, Titanic boa. But its power was on another scale. The bones show scars from immense muscles. Its spine was built for power, not speed. One giant lung let it stay submerged for hours. Its skull was fragile, rarely fossilized. But its jaw joints were engineering marvels. Its teeth were hooks, for grip, not chewing. It tasted the air for prey and mates. Prey 1, a crocodilian, Ceratonicus. The attack came from below. Coils immobilized the dangerous prey. Prey 2, Carbonomes, a giant turtle. A shell was no guarantee of safety. It swallowed turtles whole, shell and all. Its digestion was a furious chemical process. A big meal meant weeks of motionless digestion. This was its only vulnerable time. The swamp was a paradise of prey. It faced little competition. It was the competition. Fish, crocodiles, turtles, all were food. To power this body, it needed constant heat. It didn't waste energy warming itself. 30 to 34 degrees Celsius was its sweet spot.
Asserts dominance, first
The
striking a
Paleocene
fish,
was
then
6 to 10
overpowering a
degrees
massive
hotter globally.
crocodilian with its sheer strength.
Nights stayed warm. There was no off switch. Earth was a lush, wet greenhouse. Heat meant faster growth, faster reproduction. It likely laid eggs, guarding them fiercely. Even newborns were giants. It had no natural predators, ever.
Already too big to be easy prey, so the adults ignore it.
The only threat, others of its kind. For millions of years, it ruled unchallenged. But the world doesn't stay the same.
Tree, a sign of cooler, seasonal climates advancing.
Global temperatures began a slow decline. Its vast swamps started to dry and fragment. Less heat meant less energy to hunt. Its preferred prey grew scarce.
Crocodiles must adapt to faster prey. But catching these elusive silverfish proves difficult.
Its massive size became a handicap. The rule that created it now doomed it. It was pushed into last refuges. The last generations were smaller, hungrier. And then, the fossils simply stop.
Diagram shows the strata clearly. Notice how rich this layer is with the bone.
It wasn't a sudden extinction. It was a slow fade into obscurity. The world moved on. New giants would rise.
Siberian tigers and Dall sheep, and reptiles, such as alpine newts.
So why does this one bone matter? It's a thermometer for a lost world. It proves a direct life-climate link. We are rapidly reheating our world. But our change is thousands of times faster. We won't get giant snakes. We get collapsed ecosystems. Its legacy is a question. What world are we creating?
Incredible. I know, I'm trying to get the shading right on mine.
It forces us to think in deep time. It was more than a monster. It was a force of nature. A testament to life's ability to capitalize on opportunity. Nothing about Titanoboa was normal. Because its world wasn't normal. It was a product of planetary extremes. We now hold the levers of climate. Titanoboa shows us where one path leads. Its story ended 58 million years ago. Our story is being written right now. This is not exaggeration.
Bones to the deepest oceans. The story of life on Earth is waiting to be uncovered.
This is deep time.
Is